Hello guys, today we're unboxing and testing the Realme Note 60, an incredibly budget-friendly Android phone packed with essential entry-level features. This model is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Note 50, offering enhancements like extra RAM, an upgraded camera, a USB Type-C port, improved protection, and many other features, which makes this a superior choice over competitors like Samsung Galaxy A06. This phone is 64GB variant powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset. Comes in usual Realme retail box and accessories, along with the disappointing 10-watt charger. Behind the large 6.74-inch display is a plastic bag coated with a protection film. The camera lenses are individually housed in slightly protruding rings. It comes in marble black and Voyager blue color. For a budget device, the chassis feels smooth and well constructed. The bottom is home to a USB-C port, a speaker grill, and a 3.5mm jack. Realme Note 60 offers IP64 dust and water resistance, 8-layer armor shield protection, TUV Rhineland reliability certification, and a screen protection bezel to reduce drop damage. The touchscreen is protected by high-strength reinforced glass. The Note 60 runs on the latest available Realme UI 5. As a budget smartphone with limited hardware capabilities, some core features will be missing. The octa-core T612 chipset will be good enough for browsing, online shopping, and light gaming, but it's not suited for heavy multitasking and resource-intensive applications. Overall, the performance may lag. Unlike Note 50, it comes with Android 14 out of the box, means that you can expect Android 15 and updates until next 2 years. The 4GB physical memory can be virtually increased using the built-in memory expansion feature. You have to sacrifice your storage space depending on the amount of RAM you need. We allocated 8GB of dynamic RAM and installed several games and apps. Even after that, the 64GB variant still had enough storage left for capturing photos and videos comfortably. Alongside the energy-efficient CPU, the large 5000 mAh battery delivers up to 30 hours of voice calls and over 1000 hours of standby time. Charging from 0 to 100% typically takes about 3 hours depending on conditions. Realme's Mini Capsule 2.0 is a unique feature inspired by Apple's Dynamic Island. It integrates a pill-shaped display area around the front camera, offering useful visual prompts like charging status, data usage, and other stats. Special features like AI noise reduction call is pretty useful.
Our mission is to let young users around the world enjoy tech experiences that exceed expectations. Make it real. Our mission is to let young users around the world enjoy tech experiences that exceed.
The display on this device includes a refresh rate of 90Hz, which enhances user interface. However, due to hardware limitations, games will struggle to maintain good frames per second. The cheap IPS LCD offers decent viewing angles but feels outdated, while HDR support would have been nice, but it's limited by the hardware in this price range. The fingerprint is located on the side-mounted power button. Rainwater Smart Touch feature ensures reliable phone use even in wet conditions, letting you unlock answer calls, enter passwords with a damp or wet screen. The AI Boost engine combines power and efficiency to deliver a smoother, more responsive experience in UI of the phone by reducing the lag and enhancing high frame rate gaming. It ensures seamless multitasking and gameplay in its class. Depending on your choice, you can enable these options under Settings. Let's check how ringtones sound on this phone. The Realme Note 60 features a 32 megapixel primary lens and an auxiliary lens on the rear, along with a 5 megapixel front camera. However, the specific model of the main sensor is not disclosed. The default app remains largely unchanged since the brand's early devices, offering familiar functionality and interface. 3x zoom option is also there, but it's not very practical as it produces pixelated images. Next, we will be testing the gaming performance of the Realme Note 60. In the meantime, let us know your thoughts on this smartphone in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.